Welcome to Inkazumulo Center's YouTube channel la sikhuluma khona ngakho konke okubandakanya nemarket. Igama uStan Lewis, your favorite trader, you just don't know it yet. Ngithanda ukubonga kubo bonke abasubscribile kule channel lena. Nisiza le channel ukuthi ikhule. Khona abangasubscribanga but bayawabuka ama video wami. Guys, cela ni subscribe. So, kuningi okuzayo, cela ni subscribe and enjoy the video that is coming right now. Namaste world, ngiyathemba niyaphila. So namhlanje ngizonishayela i-breakdown yana Nasdaq ne-GBP JPY and show you how I approach i-market fit. So into yokuqala engiyenzayo, I mark this vertical line ku-12 o'clock. Sise South Africa. Most of you are in South Africa, so niyazi u-12 o'clock. So sikhuluma ngani the hour la iqale khona. Then umakha i-low yalelo candlestick leli livela lapho kuleyo vertical line ne uzothi sell side leyo low leyo, then umakhe high yakhona, then kuzoba i-buy side leyo high leyo. Then uya check ukuthi i-price iqale ngokuthatha ini, i-buy side iqala noma i-sell side iqala. So manje check la yabo i-price iqale yathatha i-sell side iqala, i-buy side iqala. Here we had this before izoya phansi nayithola. Then sesiyazi ukuthi okay i-price ifuna ukuya phezulu ngisho. Then since i-price ifuna ukuya phezulu, we go look for la i-price inga bounce khona before iya phezulu nayithola. Then we have this fair value gap la ku 1 hour chart. So we have this fair value gap which formed yesterday during late New York session fair. So this is a fair value gap FHG. Then so we like 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, if you noticed, it's my favorite time frame because the structure vele sifoma khona kahle than other time frames. So we have this buy side right here, buy side liquidity of Asia session, a high of Asia session le. Then we have a sell side liquidity which is a low of Asia session. You can see a low has already been taken out. Ne into engilindele ukuyibona manje a shift in market structure. Mangabheka kahle structure my it's currently bearish. So what I want to see is a bullish market structure form. Then I will conclude ukuthi okay we are heading for leal Asia session high lapha phezulu lapha buy side. Nale London high lengiqeda kuyimark. So as you can see currently price is heading for the consequent encroachment of fair value gap. Yini consequent encroachment 50% level of le fair value gap lela phansi. Then mangabe izo reactor with market structure shift, then sizobheka ama opportunities to take market to this buy side right here. So this is what I'm looking for, something like boom boom yabo into engiyibhekile le currently because market is up. Then siya ku GBP JPY I do the same thing here, same thing. So I'll delete everything la bese ngi-analyze-ile fela. Okay, let's start. The first thing I do, my vertical line ku 12 o'clock 12. Then I zoom in to check low ne high yalelo candlestick. So we have this low right here which is the sell side liquidity ne sell side liquidity. Then we have this high right here which is a buy side liquidity. Then we check ukuthi which one was taken out first, which is a buy side. Niyabona musa obviously leyo isignal ukuthi okay price ifuna ukubhaya on this specific day, but before ibhaya kamele wazi ukuthi izobhaya from where. Okay, so na sell side liquidity of Asia low, sell side liquidity. Then we have buy side which is Asia high. So this mangabe siyabhaya la on this specific day na area esiyi-target high which is buy side liquidity or Asia high. Then ngizoya ku-higher time frame to check for ama-areas, ama-point of interest, areas of interest. So sinale order block le. This order block here ngasiphusha isise kuleya buy side nayithola. Then ngizobuyela ku-5 minutes. So la ku-5 minutes, if you can see i-structure ne, we already took out i-sell side ne. Into esilindele ukuyibona i-market structure shift, which means bekamele ithathe le high le, so i-sky shift beni ibuye bese izoqhubeka. But then asikakayitholi ini leyo shift le. Angazi niyayibona lento engizama ukuyiveza. Asikakayitholi leyo shift le. Then once we get that shift from bearish to bullish, then singa execute ama buys heading for layer high le lapha phezulu lapha. So what I'm going to do now is wait and see until New York session ukuthi kuyenzakalani. Nayithola. Yeah, hope this makes sense, guys. I'll get back to you around 3:30. Awe.